Hello, everybody. This is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the label, how to show long string in LVGL. First, let's take a look at the document. So in the document, for the label, the first things, it will use the new line character to processing the long string. It will make one line break. For example, like this. So how we show the result for the display? Let's open the project. So this is the project from previous video. We change it a little bit. Remove redundant code. Okay. So we just make the code as simple as possible. So here we create one label and set the text. So it's very simple. So let's take a look if we set the text as a long string. For example, is hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Today is a good day. Today is a good day. So let's take a look at the default setting. The label, how it will show the long string. Okay. So we build and run. Okay. So it will show the long string like this. We miss some letter here. So the first way is to edit the new line character. For example, we can edit the new line character here. So edit like this, a new line, okay? And here, a new line. Okay, so what it will looks like. So we build it again, build and run it again. So it will show the long string like this. So we can see all the letters. Today is a good day. Change a new line. Okay. So this is the first way the label will processing. The label show the long string. Here we can use the R replace the N. It will have the same result. So we save it. Stop and build and run. So it will have the same result like this. And also we can write the code a little bit more format. So we can write the code like this. Hello world. And so we here, this is one line string, and here this is another line string. So this is hello, this is how are you, and this is the second line, and here this is the last line. Okay. So we save it. So we write the long string as three line. Okay. So we stop the code and build and run it to see the result. So you will see the result is like this. The result is like this. So we write the code like this will be more readable will be more readable. This is the first way the label to show the long string. Let's go back to the document. We have the second way here, long mores. It has 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 more to show the long string. It uses this function LV label set long more. So let's take a look at the first more. The first long more. It will wrap 2 long lines. It will wrap 2 long lines, make it as multiple lines to display. So how we show it? How we show the result? We copy this function. We copy this function and put it here. Put it here. So the first parameter is the label object. So we copy the label object here, and we copy the long more setting. The first more is this one. Okay, so we copy it. We put it here. Okay. And we remove the R. We remove this. Remove this. We save it. We save it. So let's take a look at what will happen if we set the long more for the first more and didn't change any other thing. Okay. So we build and run it. So you will see the default setting will still like that one. Will still like this one. Today is a good day. We are missing some letter here. So we need to do one more thing. We need to set the width of the label. How we do it? So we set the width of the label. We set it here. LV object set width. Okay. So the first parameter is the label is object, and the width. We set the label width is 200. Okay. Now we build it again. Build and run it again. Okay. So you will see the display result is different. It will show all the letter here. Okay. Hello world. How are you? Today is a good day. So this is for the first more. For the first more, it will wrap 2 long lines, make it as multiple lines display. But we need to set the width of the label first. And second, let's take a look at the label long dot. It will replace the last 3 characters from the bottom right corner of the label. It also has some condition for this more. Okay. Anyway, let's copy this. Let's copy this more first. Copy it, and we put it into this position, and take a look what will happen. So we build it again. So you will see the result will like this. It didn't show the 3 dots here. Why? Because we need to set the height. Okay. We need to set the height of the label. Okay, so how we do it? We will set the height like this. LV object set height. Okay, and also the first input parameter is label 1, and here the height we set as 20. Okay, and then we try it again. Build and run. Okay, so you will see here we have 3 dots. Okay, so here we have another way to set the width and height together. Okay, we can remove this one. Remove the 2 line, and we use another function, LV object set this one size. So this one, the first input parameter is object. The second input parameter is width. The third one is height. So in our case, the first one is label. The second one is width 200, and the last one is height is 20. Okay, so we can set the width high like this. We save it and we build it again to see the result. Okay, so we have the same result. We will show the 3 dots here. Okay, so this is the second more long dot. It will show the last 3 characters as the dot. Okay, with the dots. Okay, here we still have another 3 more. Let's copy this one to take a look what will happen. So we just replace this, and we try to build it again. So the result will be like this. It will scroll the long string back and forth. So this is long scroll, and it has a long scroll circular. It has a long scroll circular. So let's take a look at this one. What will happen for this one? What will happen? It will circularly scroll the long string. Okay. So you will see like this. So the last one is clip. Okay. So it's very simple. It's just simply clip the parts of extra letters, extra text. Okay, this one is the most simple one. We take a look at the result. Okay, you will see it's just cut the extra text here. Okay, this is 5 more for long string. The label long string display. This is 5 long more for label long string display. We have another way. Let's take a look at the overview and the scroll, and click the overview. Okay, the scroll bar. For this one, we have another display result for long string. For long string. It will be here, okay? So there's lots of letters in the display, and we can just move the labels. We can see all the letters. So for this case, we have example code. We have example code in our source code. In our source code, LVGL, examples, and scroll 4. So it's this one. Okay. So for this example, you will see from here to here, lots of code. Actually, for our scroll bar, we just need from here to here. So it's very simple. We copy it. Put it in our code here. Okay, we save it. For this code, it first create one object. Second, it sets the size, the object size. Last, it put the object in the center position. And then next, it creates the label based on the object. And the last thing is set the label text, the long string label text. It uses new line characters here. So let's run it and see the result. So the result will be like this. We can move the label like this. It has the scroll bar here. Okay, it has a scroll bar here. Okay, so this is the 3-way for the label to show the long string. And the last things, we take a look the label. It has one more thing. For the label. Okay, for the label long string. For very long text, the LVGL, it can handle very long labels. It can to enable this feature, need to set this as 1 in this config file. Let's take a look at the config file. So the config file is here. And it speed up the drawing. Need to enable this long text hint. We copy it and go to find it. It will be here. Okay, it will be here. We enable it, and so the LVGL can speed up drawing of very long text. Okay, it can speed up drawing of very long text. Okay, so this is how the label handle with the long text, long string. Okay, so this is this video. I'm Michael. See you next time.